Your walk, a queen, you always keep it G. And I wonder if you know me.
Okay, so I have my DIY nail stand here, and it's still holding up really strong. And also too, I forgot to mention that you can actually sit it up like this, like just like a regular picture frame, but I'm gonna lay it down just for the sake of the video. So the nails that I'm gonna use today, I'm using the Gelish soft gel tips. These are the same nails that I had on from the last clip. So this is what I use for my last set. I like to use the clear ones. I actually have some new nails, like full cover nails, but for this one I wanted to do like a nude set. I also too picked up a new gel polish. This is my first time using this brand, but it's called Pro Gel. I guess you can find this on Amazon, I'm not sure, but I found this at my local beauty supply store. But I got the color Creamy Nude, and then I plan on using these. I believe you can find these off of Amazon too, but I got these also too at my local beauty supply store. So yeah, this is the Gelish soft gel tips, and I got the medium stiletto. I'm not sure if they have other sizes, but these are like really the perfect size. They're not too long, they're not like really that short either, but I like the stiletto kind. What else? Oh yeah, I have some nail stickers that I'm super excited about. So I plan on doing like the creamy nude color, and I plan on putting these nail stickers on top of them. I think I'm going to go for more of these, like the smiley face flower, and then I'm going to do probably like a couple of smiley faces. I got these from off of Amazon. I'll try to leave the links as well in the description box, but they have so many different nail stickers on Amazon. It's just like so many. But I got this pack, I think it was like $8 or like $9, I'm not sure. Also, I had ordered this I don't even know what this is called, but it's called Tack It, but it's like a removable adhesive. This is something that you can use for like school projects or something, I'm not really sure. It has different uses for it, but today I'm going to use this to help my my press on stick onto the nail stand. The last set that I used, I realized that I did not have anything like this, and I used tape, like regular tape. You can use tape if you want to, but this one is like more sturdy, so I'm going to use this on each one so I can put my press on nails on here. So I'm going to go off camera and just pull out the nails for my fingers, and then I'm going to come back to paint them. Okay, so I just finished sorting out my nails. I have to use two number 5, so you may see, well, they kind of look the same size. My nails are like very weird, I don't know. They're pretty much like the same size, but this is what they look like. So by using that putty stuff, that Tack It thing, it's really sturdy. So I'm going to go ahead and paint them, but they're actually just laying on top of this thing, and hopefully you guys can see it. It's like everything's clear, so this is what it looks like. So I'm gonna go ahead and start painting it, and I don't use like a base coat when I'm doing like the press on nails. I just go ahead straight with the gel polish.
Find your dream, and I wonder. And I
come true. And I wonder.
Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and cure the first coat. I have my big UV lamp here, and it's actually big enough to where I can just cure the whole thing. I kind of got to put it sideways, so I don't know if the whole thing is gonna clear, but I'm gonna do 90 seconds. So I just finished the second coat of the creamy nude gel polish. This is what it looks like, and I'm going to clear it. I mean, not clear it. I'm going to cure it under my UV light. I'm gonna do 90 seconds again. Next, I'm going to apply my nail stickers, and this is going to be like super random, but I do have some like really small tweezers to pick up the nail stickers. But I know I want my thumb. I know I want the like rainbow looking color or sticker on my thumb. So I'm just going to place these in like random spots. I'm not really sure.
You know, me, and I wonder if you know me. Find your dream, and I wonder.